Hi guys, welcome back. Today I want to quickly look at your saving the template into the cloud, to the Trimble cloud. So when you open a business center, you have this start page, and you can click and log in into your user profile like TID. The reason I want to take a look at it is because the other day I went to open, I modified my template and I wanted to open new, and went to the to my templates, and as you can see I have two over there here, so it didn't let me override the template, but it saved this under same name with a different date, which is great in case you made a mistake or something, or overwritten it by mistake. However, how would one go of erasing this? So you have to go back to your user profile, and it will open a new window, user profile manager, and under project templates you're gonna see all the templates you have, and here are the two. So I can click the one which I created in 2021 and hit delete or save to local if I want to back it up. At this point I want to delete. I just did some minor adjustments in there, and hopefully it will delete it. Now when I close and go back to file and new, as you can see I only have my TBC metric. So when I click OK, I have just the latest and greatest, the one I wanted, right? So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. I have all my settings, and I have changed few snaps there in that template, so that was the only difference. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next one.